Ang editor sa Sunstar Superbalita Cebu nga si Michelle So gipasidunggan ato sa 2014 Tatak UP Award nga gipahigayon sa Capital Social Hall o Capitol Social Hall kagahapon. Ang Tatak UP Award sa University of the Philippines Alumni Association Cebu Chapter ihatag sa usa ka UP alumni nga ninghawd sa ilang kaalam ug nihatag og impact sa nagkalain-laing sektor, propesyon, komunidad, nasyonal man o international. Si So nakadawas sa award human siya nagmugna og mga organisasyon nga nagsilbing lugar aron mapauswag ang kahanas ug kaayuhan sa usa ka magsisibya. Si So kasamtangang presidente sa Cebu City Press Council ug kanhi presidente sa ubang media organizations sa Sugbo.
So, who should not be a stranger to people. Michelle So, UP Cebu High School, 1981 to 1985, and A.B. Hospital, 1985. She helped professionalize the Cebu media industry by setting up organizations or councils that serve as venue for improving journalistic skills and journalists' welfare. Since with CENIWOC as well as with other 200 members. Currently president of the Cebu Press Freedom Week Incorporated, and she's formerly president of the Cebu Newspaper Workers Foundation, or CENIWOC. She's a member of the Cebu Citizens Press Council and former trustee of the Philippine Press Institute. In Sunstar, the #1 newspaper, she is currently editor-in-chief of Superbalita and executive editor of Sunstar Cebu. She was formerly head of the editorial services of the Sunstar affiliates, overseeing the editorial operations of the newsrooms and content of Sunstar's community papers. Michelle So.